Hi Taurians, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to read the cards for you for the month of August 2021. We will see what energies is the universe sending towards you and what are the areas of your life which need a lot of attention in this month. Okay, so let's get ahead and see what is the first card talks about you. And the very first card is the Two of Coins, Two of Pentacles. Two of Pentacles, whenever you look at this card, whenever at least I look at this card, I feel like some kind of a emotional turmoil your person is going through. And looks like there are two coins this person is playing with. Relationship, two people this person is dealing with, and he's confused. Extramarital affairs are actually resembled and represented by this card a lot of times in my readings, and emotional turmoils, emotional problems are something which this card certainly represents in life. So I relate it, and I feel that Taurians, you're dealing with two relationships, two people, two situations, yes or no kind of issues right now in your life, and that's something which is bothering you a lot. Emotionally, you're not at peace. There is something which is going on in mind, and you are still trying to stay still, manage yourself, stay calm. So, but then this card, this person is cannot be looked at as a person who is at peace or maybe in a peaceful situation right now. So that's something which is very much visible here. What you need to take care of in this month is, and what exactly this person is actually focusing on, is bothered about. Is it finances? Because I somehow feel it's not finance that the person is very bothered about. uh, I read the energies, and the read energies are actually focusing towards something emotional. Well, the worry point for you is a rigid personality. This person is very rigid in nature, very. Have you seen those movies wherein you have an emperor who's very rigid and he punishes his people very badly because they don't follow his approach, or maybe his way, or my way or highway kind of an approach? Well, this person is that, and the problem here is occurring. This person is confused because of this arrogant personality, rigid authoritative personality. That's the reason you are unhappy right now. Someone is trying to dominate you and you're not liking that. And because this person was related to your family, maybe your partner, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, that's the energy you are actually dealing with right now, and that's making you a little unpeaceful. The card also suggests, and I look at it, that is impacting your family life a lot. So this card is completely a family card, emotional card. As I said, when I was shuffling card, I could actually feel that it is not an official card, it is not a work related card, it is completely related to your family life that this person is actually disturbing. Now, if you look at this card again, this person is focused on one coin. Even he has another coin in his hand, he's focused on one. Okay, so right now he has made up his mind to move towards one person and not to the other. So that decision making has happened. Is that a right decision? The next question will come. Well, don't worry. The person you're focused on right now is not going to be the same person, authoritative approach, or maybe making your life a little. This person had made it a little, very difficult because of his own ways of managing you or maybe the family. But then right now you're in the right direction. So if you want me to ask you, the person you're involved with right now, is that a right person? You're going into the right direction. Yes, you're going into the right direction. Now this right direction, even if you are in the right direction, the another question which will come to your mind, and which actually I would like to suggest you, is that if you want to continue a relationship with this new person, you want to be with this new person, you will have to finish off everything which was to be related or was related with your past relationship. If you're in a divorce way, or maybe you're in a separation way, please make it happen completely 100% clear, and that's when move ahead in life. That's what my suggestion will be to you, Taurians. Clear all the backlogs in life, relationship, and that's when move towards it. Because once you actually come out of this relationship era, you will move towards a very happy phase. Maybe you will change your job also. There's a movement I see in your cards, and this job opportunity is something which will come suddenly. Maybe in your current job you're very happy, you're doing very well, you don't want to change your job, but this will come from somewhere and you will not be able to actually decline this opportunity. So you will, there's a job change in your cards, there's a change of opportunity, there's a change of finances in your cards, and there's a financial benefit which is coming your way. So don't worry about it. Even if you're losing something with this person right now, your past, you will be able to actually gain that very, very well. Well, why do I really say that? Well, there's a marriage happening. Okay, Taurians, you've got a Taurian card also. Okay, so there's a marriage happening in the card. There's a celebration mode which is coming in your life. Okay, and I see some development happening in your life in the third week of August. So third week is going to be a very critical week for you, very important week rather, because you're meeting your soulmate, you're becoming one with your soulmate, and you're making your relationship public. um, um, Taurian. So if you had not really told people that you're seeing someone, and you were scared, should you really tell people about it or no, then I think the time has come that you will actually be in that mode, that you have left everything of past in past, you're moving towards future, and you want to actually announce your relationship right now to the world that, hey, listen, I am dealing with this person, I am dating this person who is my soulmate. And you've done experienced things with this person which you had not experienced in your past life. Maybe if I say and rephrase what I said, so the relationship was not a love relationship, it was a uh, maybe you were together because of your kid, or maybe you were together because of some other compulsions in life, some other reason that you had to be together, but that was not love. So love has happened to you now. So move ahead and take care of yourself very well. And before we really sign off, let's quickly see one card for you, which is your relationship card. I would, I'm very keen to see what universe is telling you with so many beautiful cards. That's very, very important. And one important sign, one important message before I close the reading and take out your relationship card. One relation card is that you will have to finish off your past. You will have to kill everything of past to enter that new future. Do not linger on to anything which relates to your past. So move on, and that's very important. Do not try to touch upon on your past at all if you really want to move on. Love in spite of it all. Well, um, you know, every first experience of your life is something which is like you don't ever forget. This is whatever is happening in your life is also a first experience which is going to remain in your subconscious forever. But it does not mean that you will not do those first time done things with this new person. So you will try those things with this new person also, and that will give you a new experience altogether. So slowly, gradually, your old memories will be replaced by your new memories, and you will become a new person altogether with new memories and new things in your life. So love with all your zeal, all your emotions, all your passion. Just put it in this relationship and move on, Taurians. It's a nice time. Make best out of this situation, and uh, just fall in love again. That's what I want to tell you. Take care. God bless you, and please be connected with your family. Always love your family, and be connected with Blossom Life Tarot family as well. Thank you so much for giving so much love to my channel in such a short span. I really appreciate that, and I'm thankful to you all. Take care. Bye bye.